So we got snowed in Kansas City over the weekend, and yeah, we were not allowed to drive in the city street because it wasn't cleaned. Yeah, our this is our street here, and there were some cars going, but over the weekend it's actually like really deep, probably a foot deep. And this is the product that I bought in Amazon a long time ago. See that? I think I have one on my Pilot too, and one on my Mercedes. This one is better because it has the cover for the mirrors. And look at that. So this one just clips on the tires, and you don't need to probably scrape it. But if you look at the Pilot, it's all ice in here. Yep. Yep. It's all ice. Sometimes you cannot even the door. You cannot open the door with this one. Yep. So we're still below freezing, and yep. Yeah. Yep. So we have some sheets of ice over here, and yep, it's nice that I don't have to scrape the windshield, but this is one layer of ice. Yeah, our weather is different because it first formed an ice, and then after that snow, and then yep. So sometimes it's just snow, it's okay, but if it's ice, yeah, it's terrible. You cannot open the door of your car. You're pretty much blackout. There goes my ridgeline. Yep. That's like a handful. Yeah.